Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Jeff. So today, I'm gonna show you how to change the spark plug on the RAV4. It's pretty easy actually. So I have a spark plug here. It's a OEM spark plug from Toyota dealer. So stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to change it. So first, we need to take this off. And since I got this, it might take a little bit encouragement to take this off. So okay, I almost got there. So after we take this off, now we're gonna unbolt this. So it's 4 in there, it's 8mm. So and do like one by one. So Toyota recommended to change the spark plug at 100,000 miles on it, and this car has like 120 plus now. So yeah, so it's pretty easy. So you just unbolt this, and that's pretty much it. And since this car is like a travel car, a overland car, so this car has been driving a lot, so it's good thing that to change the spark plug. So you never know, you might have misfire and the car won't run because of the misfire. So yeah, so I'm almost done with this one, and then after that we're gonna take this off the coils and we're gonna take off the spark plugs. So after we unbolt that, I forgot to say that we need to unclip this. Okay, so you're just gonna like press it like that and then start pulling. Okay, then another one, and then last one. Okay, so after we remove this, now we're gonna remove with a 40mm spark plug socket. So I got a extension here, so there. Then just loosen it up there. Okay, I got the first one. So after this, we're gonna remove 3 of them. So yeah, so I got our OEM parts from Toyota. So I like putting our OEM parts here, whatever, like oil change or something like that. I always like to put OEM parts. So this is a Denso FC16HR /Q8 spark plug. So we're gonna put it there. Okay, okay, that's good. Then after we're done with that, we're gonna put this back. And then put this back. Then after you tighten this, put the clip back, and you're done. Then after that, you can put the cover back. So that's how easy to change a spark plug on this car. So anybody can change this. You don't want, well, it's up to you. If you want to pay on the dealership like $300, well, that's fine. But if you're gonna buy a spark plug, it costs like $70 at the dealership. So you save like $150 for the spark plug. So hope you guys like this video, and I hope this is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to inspire me to do more. So I'll see you next time for another car repair. So peace.